So I'm Liam, I'm the cafe manager of Established Coffee in Belfast. Established Coffee is on Hill Street and adjacent to Talbot Street in the Cathedral Quarter in Belfast. So the clue is in the name. We are a coffee shop, we sell coffee, we roast coffee as well. We started roasting in October 2020. We also do some really delicious food and lots of lovely baked goods as well. We sell bags of coffee that we roast ourselves. We started doing that at the end of October. It's all specialty coffee, so lots of single origins from different parts of the world. We've got some from Colombia at the moment, from Kenya, Ethiopia, and all those coffees have different sort of flavour profiles, so they're all wide-ranging, and we have lots of flavours to suit what you enjoy having at home. We also sell things like granola, which we make in-house. We've got bags of that, and then we've got some hot chocolate from our friends over in Edinburgh, from Edward and Irwin. At the moment, that's on the retail shelves, which you can buy and bring home with you as well. So Established opened 10 years ago, 2013 in December, so in a couple of weeks' time it'll be our 10th birthday. And when we opened up, we were the first sort of specialty coffee shop in Belfast. Since then, it's kind of spread across the city, which is amazing to see other places opening up. But for us, we always just have a care for each customer that comes in. It's not just a transaction. For us, it's making someone's day a little bit nicer and a bit better. They can come in, have an amazing product, a really good cup of coffee, and then also leave just feeling a little bit better about their day as well. So that's what makes us different, I think. Inside the cafe, it's quite a simplistic layout, just very minimalist, and very easy to grab a seat. We've got lots of seats, lots of space, so we always really are great at getting people seated. And if you're coming in and it's really busy, don't worry about it. We'll get you sorted out. We'll always find your space somewhere.